Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Adverse possession is a fascinating and often misunderstood legal concept that allows someone to gain legal ownership of another person's property without buying it. You might have heard it called squatter's rights, but it's much more formal and difficult to achieve than that name suggests. The core idea behind this law is to encourage the productive use of land and to resolve long-standing uncertainties about property ownership. If a property owner abandons or neglects their land for many years, and someone else steps in to take care of it and use it as their own, the law may eventually recognize the user as the new owner. To succeed in an adverse possession claim, a person must meet a strict set of requirements, which are often remembered by the acronym OCEAN or a similar variation. Let's break down these 5 key ingredients. First is open and notorious possession, which means the person's use of the property must be obvious and out in the open, not secretive. A true owner who bothered to look should be able to see that someone is on their land. Second is continuous possession. The person must possess the land for a specific, uninterrupted period of time, which is set by state law and can range anywhere from 5 to 20 years or more. You can't just use the land for one summer and then claim it. Third is exclusive possession. The claimant must possess the land for themselves, not sharing it with the public or with the true owner. Fourth is actual possession. This means the person must physically use the land in a way that a typical owner would, such as by building a fence, farming it, mowing the lawn, or constructing a building. Just walking across it once in a while isn't enough. The final and most confusing requirement is hostile possession. This doesn't mean violent or aggressive. In the legal sense, hostile simply means that the possession is without the true owner's permission and goes against their ownership rights. If the owner gave you permission to be there, it's not hostile, and you can never claim adverse possession. Imagine your neighbor builds a shed that is accidentally 3 feet over your property line. They used that shed and the surrounding 3 feet of land for 15 years, and your state's time requirement is 15 years. They did it openly, continuously, exclusively, and actually, all without your permission. In that scenario, they might have a valid claim to legally own that 3-foot strip of land. Now, it's crucial to understand that these laws vary significantly from state to state. Some states even require the adverse possessor to pay the property taxes on the land they are claiming. Winning an adverse possession case is very difficult, as courts are generally reluctant to take property away from its rightful owner. This information is for educational purposes only and is not legal advice. So that's a basic overview of adverse possession, a legal doctrine where using land can eventually mean owning it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing.